Did you know you might be missing out on a crucial detail when you need your Capital One bank statement? You see the Statements option in the app, but then you realize there's no export button. It's a common frustration, especially when you need a PDF for an application or a CSV for your budgeting software. Well, here's the reality. While you can view your statements on the Capital One mobile app, the full download and export functionality is primarily a feature of their website. So, the first and most important step to export your bank statement is to simply hop off the app and onto your desktop or laptop. I'm going to walk you through the quick process for getting those files, whether you need a PDF for official documents or a CSV to analyze your spending. Let's get started. The website method, your true export center. First, open your web browser and go to CapitalOne.com. You'll need to sign in with your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard with all your accounts. The process has two main options: exporting the official PDF statement and exporting a raw transaction file, usually CSV, for data analysis. For the official PDF statement, which you'll need for things like a loan application or tax documents, select the specific bank account you need the statement for. Look for and click on the View Statements option. This will pull up a list of your monthly statements. Select the statement you want by clicking on the date. A PDF version of your statement will open. Look for the download icon, usually a down arrow, or an option that explicitly says download to save the PDF to your computer. That's it for the official statement. Now, if you want to export your transaction history as a spreadsheet for budgeting or accounting, again, select the specific bank account. Instead of View Statements, look for an option that says Download Transactions or sometimes Export. It's usually near your list of past transactions. A pop-up window will appear. Here, you select your desired file type, which is typically CSV. You'll also select your time period. Choose a custom date range to cover the exact transactions you need. Click the Export or Download button, and your CSV file will be saved to your device. This file can then be opened in programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. So, while the Capital One app is great for on-the-go banking, remember that for a true export of a statement or transaction data, the full website is where you need to be. It's the only way to get those essential files saved to your device. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.